Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Now the days of typing a 1 instead of a 2 or entering a Q instead of a W to connect to a Wi-Fi is no more. This is made possible with the help of QR codes. All you have to do is to generate your Wi-Fi password as a QR code, and then anyone can connect quickly just by scanning. The relevance of this will not be clear with a password like this one. But what of this? It won't be a surprise if you enter this password more than once before it connects. So how do we generate our QR codes? Let's find out. A sub to this channel will be worth it. What we'll do is to go to our settings, network and internet, hotspot and tethering, and then tap on Wi-Fi hotspot. So let's turn on the hotspot, and then you can see at the right hand side of hotspot name there is a QR code there. So we tap there, and then after we verify our fingerprint, the QR code is generated automatically. So with this QR code, anyone can scan this code on his device and then connects to the Wi-Fi automatically. But if he still wants, he can enter a password. So let's see how we can connect to the Wi-Fi. So my Wi-Fi is turned on. Let me open it. Then you can see at the top there is a QR scanner there. Tap on it, and then it's asking us to position the QR code in the center. So as you can see right now, I've been able to connect to the Wi-Fi, and let's try to do more interesting things. We go to settings, and then you can see QR code at the bottom. So anyone that wants to connect to a Wi-Fi, I can be able to share the QR code that person just by tapping here. The person scans the QR code. Or what even makes it fun and easier is that we can save the image and then go and share it later when we need it. Or we tap the share, and then with any of our apps we can share it to our family and friends to be able to connect to the Wi-Fi device also. But a caution here, make sure to verify that the QR code was generated for the Wi-Fi. This is because there has been a lot of cyber attacks of late through QR codes. A lot more about QR codes, its benefits and risks will be addressed in a subsequent video. Make sure you subscribe so that you get notified when that video comes out, and kindly give this video a thumbs up if it was helpful. Drop your comments, share to reach more audience. Click on any of these for more, and see you in the next video.